Hey friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and recently I made such a good roast and I thought I would take you along. First of all, I'm just chopping up some celery, onion, and garlic, and then I also have some baby carrots. This is the kind of meat I used. It was about 4.5 pounds of a rump roast. In a Dutch oven, I added some fat and kept rotating the piece of meat to just get a little browning on all of the sides. And then I took it out and added all of those nice root vegetables.
And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
Now I am adding in the meat. I just kind of got the veggies going, and then I added a couple tablespoons of flour. This helps create kind of a crust and helps make the gravy. And then I added some classy boxed red wine, some stock, and a can of diced tomatoes.
I long for you so much I can find my way.
I also added some golden potatoes. For some reason I didn't get that footage, but then into a 350-degree oven. I cooked this for like 5 hours. We were actually having it the next day. So this is after 5 hours. You can see the beef shreds so beautifully. I think I added a little bit more liquid, put it in my fridge, and then the next day heated it up again, and we had it over rice. It was so good. Let me know if you try this cozy fall meal. Have a great day and take care, Mama. Bye, guys.
Wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a